Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rupali. Today I am going to show you how to create this makeup look for Diwali. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I am going to start with color correcting my face. I don't have a color corrector, but I color correct my face with the help of a lipstick. And if you also don't have a color corrector, you can use orange, peach or red lipstick. With the help of a mirror, I am just going to apply where I have dark circles because these are my problematic areas and I am also getting pimples, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा and around my mouth because यहाँ पे pigmentation है काफ़ी सारी, थोड़ा सा side of cheek, in the corner of nose because यहाँ पे हमेशा darkness बनी रहती है. Now with the help of my fingers because I feel ये जो lipstick है ना वो fingers से सबसे अच्छी तरह blend होती है. I will just blend it into my skin. Now I'm going to conceal my face. I'm going to use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel. ये थोड़ा सा dark है मेरे लिए, but I also use a lighter concealer, so it will work. And now with the help of a kabuki brush, I'm just going to blend it in. It's a very nice concealer. Especially if you are someone who has a lot of dark circle and pigmentation, it is medium to full coverage concealer. Now I am going to use Insight Pro Concealer. It's in the shade Sun Beige. ये ना मुझे इससे कोई स्पेशल कवरेज तो नहीं मिलती है. इट्स गुड एज अ हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर, बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड कंसीलर ना तो इट्स नॉट फॉर यू बिकॉज ये बहुत ही लाइट टू मीडियम भी नहीं, एक्चुअली काफ़ी लाइट कवरेज देता है. मैंने इसे ख़रीद लिया था, सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट फिनिशिंग इट अप. मैं इसे अपनी इनर कॉर्नर एंड साइड्स में लगाऊंगी एंड आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू कंसील माई आई विथ इट अगेन विद द सेम ब्रश. I want to say this that if you don't have all the products which I am showing in this video na, first of all you can use any products you want to and also you can skip few products like मैंने corrector नहीं था तो फिर I used a lipstick. Similarly if you don't have a highlighter you can use a eyeshadow and ऐसे बहुत I will keep on giving alternatives in this video. Now I am going to use Lakme Rose Powder for baking my eye and I also use this powder for my rest of my face. But I'm going to take some powder on my brush and dust off the extra powder and just going to put it there for almost a minute. I'm going to leave it for few minutes and till then I will do the rest of my face. So for my foundation I'm going to mix two Fit Me foundation which is 330 Toffee and 310 Sun Beige. My shade is I think 320 because 330 बहुत dark हो रहा है, 310 बहुत light हो रहा है. I'm just going to remove that extra powder which I used for baking and I'm going to put the foundation on my rest of my face. And I'm going to first try to blend the foundation with the help of my finger. Now with the same kabuki brush I'm going to start blending my foundation and push it to my ear too because अगर ears अलग दिखेंगे ना तो it will look really bad. This foundation is light to medium coverage but you can build it up if you want high coverage. Now I am again going to use the same Lakme Rose Powder and I will apply powder only on those places of my face from where sweating occurs, like my forehead, यहाँ से मुझे बहुत sweating होती है, and my nose. Always dust off the axis and around my lips because this is the area where most of the sweating occurs. Now even I don't have a blush, so what I'm going to do for blush is I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette. I have Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette and उसमें से I will find a color which I like as a blush. So I'm going to use this color as my blush and it looks beautiful. Eyeshadows are very pigmented, so if you are using a eyeshadow palette as your blush, मेक श्योर उसे अच्छी तरीके से डस्ट ऑफ करो एंड थोड़ा सा पहले हाथ पे लगा लो, इन केस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ तो वो फेस पे डायरेक्टली नहीं जाएगा. सिंस माई फेस इज काइंड ऑफ लॉन्ग, so I apply blush on the apple of my cheeks. If you want your face to look long, apply blush here, not on the apple of your cheeks. Little bit on your nose and smile while applying it. You can even use a lipstick if you don't have an eyeshadow palette now. Little bit on my chin. I think मैंने थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा लिया. So what I'm going to do, जो मेरा foundation brush था ना, I'm just going to swipe that few times on my face and it is toned down. Wow. If you don't have a highlighter like I don't have, grab a eyeshadow palette. Like you can use champagne color which I always use, and with the help of my finger, because I feel ना मैं ये सबसे अच्छे तरीके से अपने फिंगर से ही लगाती हूँ, and apply it. A little bit on the tip of my nose and bridge of my nose. Little bit on my cupid bow. And again, if you feel ज़्यादा लगा लिया, again use your foundation brush and remove that. So I'm done with my base makeup and it's time to take a shower. What I mean by shower is I'm going to use a makeup fixer to lock that all makeup intact. And also makeup fixer से ना आपका makeup powder ही नहीं लगता, वो बहुत ज़्यादा blend हो जाता है आपकी skin के साथ. So I'm going to use Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, aloe vera with vitamin E. It is just for 250 rupees and it's a good makeup fixer, very affordable. And इसका बस एक downfall है कि it has a lot of fragrance, and with little distance I'm just going to spray it and let it dry for a minute. मेकअप फिक्सर इज़ नॉट एसेंशियल स्टेप. मैंने बहुत लोगों को देखा है जो कि मेकअप फिक्सर नहीं यूज़ करते हैं एंड स्टिल दे गो गुड विद देयर मेकअप. एंड आई थिंक अगर आप ना वंस इन अ वाइल मेकअप यूज़ करते हो तो मेकअप फिक्सर मत लो कुछ घंटे के लिए, या मेकअप अच्छी तरह इंटैक्ट रहेगा ही. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द आईज. फॉर द आईज आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द सेम ब्यूटी ग्लेज आई शैडो पैलेट. आई लव दिस पैलेट. इसका कंप्लीट रिव्यू है, सो चेक इफ़ यू वांट टू चेक इट आउट यू कैन. एंड ऑल्सो जो ब्रशेस मैं यूज़ करी हूँ उनका भी पूरा रिव्यू है उसी वीडियो में. So I'm going to use this dark brown shade and I'm going to apply it on my entire eye. I'm using a round head brush because मेरे पास ना blending brush नहीं है, but if you have a blending brush, go with it. And if you don't have a eyeshadow palette ना जिसमें brown color नहीं है suppose, just use your eyebrow pencil, उसको हल्का सा लगाओ and keep on blending it. Now I'm going to drag the same color under my lower eyelash but only till the middle. Now I'm going to repeat the same process in my other eye. Now let's move to the next step where I'm just going to smudge my kajal. I'll show you how. So I'm using Maybelline Colossal Kajal. First, let me apply kajal on my eyes. I am applying kajal on my lower waterline. I also apply kajal on my upper waterline because it really makes a difference. I think मेरी eyes ना और open लगती है. Be careful with this step because now you can literally poke your eye with it. Now I'm going to apply this kajal where I apply my eyeliner and little bit outside. Now just with the help of my blending brush I'm going to smudge this. Okay, I'm shifting to a flat dome shape brush. Actually I think you should use a flat dome shape brush at least for the starting of your eye. Yeah, use a flat dome shape brush. It's better than a blending brush. Basically any flat brush, not only dome shape. And smudge that kajal. The eye look is almost done, but I'm just going to use a shimmer color because it's Diwali and we need to blink, guys. So I'm going to take this dark brown shimmer on a flat brush, and if you don't have a flat brush now, just use your fingers. And I will apply it from the starting to the middle of my eye. मुझे ना काजल बाद में लगाना चाहिए था, पहले ये शिमर कर लेना चाहिए था. सो यू नो इट, आप वही करना. जो कलर हमने अब एज अ हाईलाइटर यूज़ किया था ना, टेक दैट शेड ऑन ए पिंकी फिंगर लाइक मी एंड अप्लाई दैट इन द इनर कॉर्नर ऑफ योर आई. नाउ विद द सेम पिंकी फिंगर, सेम कलर, सेम शिमर, basically not color, उसे अपने आईब्रोज के ना उसे अपने आईब्रोज के कॉर्नर पे लगाओ. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes with this Bronson curler. By the way, I will provide the link of all these products in the description box. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Easy Wash Eye Mascara. Always remove the excess mascara and in a dragging motion pull it up. एंड अगर वो थोड़ा आगे पीछे लग भी जाए ना, लेट इट ड्राई. उसके बाद यू कैन ईजिली स्क्रैप इट ऑफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनी ब्रश और इवन ईयरबड. जो भी लेफ्ट होगा ना वॉन्ड पे, जस्ट अप्लाई दैट ऑन योर लोअर eyelash. Now let it dry. I always apply 2 coats of mascara till the time first coat is drying. Let's move to the lipstick. I'm going to use Miss Clear lip liner. It's in the shade Sandy Pink L24. It's a beautiful peach color. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Nude Nuance lipstick. It's a beautiful nude color, especially for people who have skin color closer to me. Now to make it little matte and transfer proof, I'm going to put a tissue on it and then put some powder on the tissue. The lips are not done yet. I'm going to apply a lip gloss. The lip gloss which I have, it is from Inside. It's in the shade 08 Glitz and it doesn't really have much color. I'm not going to directly apply the applicator on my lips, otherwise ना उसके ऊपर वो color आ जाएगा. So what I'm going to do is take a lot of lip gloss on my hand. Then with the help of a brush, I will apply the lip gloss on my lips. Now my lips are looking super juicy and glossy. And now let's apply the second coat of mascara. This time don't apply it on the lower eyelash because वो ना थोड़ा clumpy हो जाएगा वरना फिर. I'm not going to do anything to my eyebrows because I feel they are good the way they are. And मैंने एक बिंदी लगाई है and I feel now if you are wearing something Indian, bindis are must. They elevate your look to another level. So this is my final look. Personally, I love this makeup look. I can totally wear it out and go out for Diwali. This looks very fresh and very glowy, very blinking, which I really like for Diwali. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give it a thumbs down. And in case you are going to recreate this makeup look now, don't forget to tag me in that makeup look if you will be posting that on your Instagram. And also follow me on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and also comment to karo yaar kaisa laga ye makeup look. So that's all. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.